Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. This is the Honor Band 5. Yes, it came from China, so it's all in Chinese. If you can read that stuff, awesome. I cannot, but here you go. So I want to unbox this really quickly and tell you what it's all about. So here's the box, and there's some stuff. Nothing else in here. We've got a manual. We've got the band, we've got a charging dock, and in here is some instructions. So yeah, that's it. This is the band and the charging dock. Now, I'm not going to take this out because I have another one right here ready to go, plugged into a battery pack. The only way to turn this on when you first get it is to dock it. So this is what the dock looks like, and if you want to dock it to charge, you have to find the charging pins, and then it kind of clips on like this. Takes a second, but it'll fire up. There we go. It's starting. See the Honor logo, so I can remove this now. And here you go. And so I'm going to set it up in a second. I do have the app here, but I want to tell you what this is about. The unboxing is done, but I have here the Huawei Band 3 Pro, which as you can see is very similar. In fact, they both use the same charging dock. And the big difference between these two is, as you know, Honor and Huawei are sister brands. So this has a GPS receiver in addition to the same features as the Band 5. So the Band 3 Pro from Huawei is just like a slightly higher-end version of the Band 5 from Honor. And the prices reflect that. This is like something like 70 to 80 bucks. And this is something like $40 to $50. So you save a little bit of money. But what they're cool about these bands, and the reason I like them so much, is sleep tracking and continuous heart rate sensing. As you can see, steps, heart rate, sleep, and then you can set up workouts, and then you got more, and then messages because it does notifications. And then is, back to the time, shows you it's connected to the phone, your battery life. Battery life is about 2 weeks on these, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, I like them because they automatically detect sleep tracking, and they automatically detect the heart rate, and it's continuous. So it measures your heart rate all day long, and you can look at it and see how you did when you were working out or whatever. It's really great. So for the price, I like these a lot. And again, as I said, if you're interested in getting one, I'll have a link in the description below. Please use that link on Amazon to buy this product. It supports both this YouTube channel and my podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. So yeah, let's set this up real quick. I've got the app here ready to go. As you can see, this is the Huawei band. So I'm going to add a new band. And as you can see, Honor Band 4.5 is right here. So let's add that. Pair, and there we go. So there it is. And let's see, it should pop up. There you go. We got a yes. So this is an AMOLED display, by the way. And so here we are. This is the band. It's set up. There's obviously no information on it. I'll have to charge it. It's 79%. And you can select, actually, by holding down here, you can select which watch face you want. So here's one, here's another, here's another, here's another. That one's pretty goofy. And so I like this one. I'm going to set this one. And then if you scroll up, you get your steps, same UI, heart rate, sleep tracking, workouts. By the way, there's a bunch of options here. And then, you go back, and then you got your more settings, which is all your settings and stuff. And then messages, which shows you notifications. And you're back to normal. When the display goes blank, you can turn it back on by tapping this little home button. On the Huawei band, that's a little rectangle you can see down here. You tap that, it wakes up. Tap that, it wakes up. So there you go, folks. That is the Honor Band 5. So let me open this up so you can see the sensors and everything in the back. So you can see there's 2 pins down here with a little notch. That's where the charging cradle attaches. So it locks in place down here and clamps on the sides and touches the 2 pins here. Here is the heart rate sensor. Continuous 24/7 heart rate monitoring if you want. Automatic sleep and nap detection through that. And there's a band. These bands are actually removable. You can see there's these little plastic covers on both sides. that you can pop off to remove the band, and there's a whole ecosystem of bands available for these. So that's it, folks. This is the Honor Band 5. And I'm going to try it out and let you know how it works out. So please stay tuned for more videos soon. This channel is a complement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. It's on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Overcast, Spotify, everywhere. If you like podcasts, you should subscribe. It's all about mobile technology. Also, this channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment below, tell your friends, click the little ring bell notification thingy so you know when new videos are available. And yeah, and by the way, there is haptics on this device. So if you get notifications, like now it just vibrated in my hand, you can actually feel it, which is cool. So that's it, folks. Stay tuned for more videos soon. And cheers, everybody.